Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Z, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there's one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. They come provided in a box, so you can find some of there in between, like a booklet. And if you can find it, you can always use a paper clip, which probably everybody has. Just straighten out one of the edges, as you can see, and it will work just as well. So once you have that ready, you can take out the tray, which is located on the top of the device, so right here, as you can see. So just push it in there, you'll see that the tray pops out, and from there you can take it out like so. And there was a SIM card in there, so just set that on the side. Okay, so I have my own SIM card and SD card here, as you can see. I'm gonna start with the SIM. Place it like so, with the cutout on the bottom right corner, and then the SD card like this. Make sure that both of them are laying flush on the tray. You can see right here. And once they are, you want to slide it back into the device. So go. Let's set it back up here, and there we go. So there's a pin for the SIM card. So just put that in, and it automatically changes the language to the SIM card provider. So that's not very fun. I would appreciate if it would ask me, but you can see that the SIM card is working, judging by the language that it has chosen, and the SD card should work as well. Just let me quickly show you. I guess it doesn't search in English, so there we go. And that's the SD card. Once it actually, unless it doesn't use it cannot handle the 128 gigs, so that would be probably a reason why it can't read it. But you can see that it appearing in here. It just looked like it has trouble with reading such a SD card. But that is how you would insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.